Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make baked potatoes with your Weber grill. Indirect or direct heat, I think it's inside the coals. First step, we have to wrap the cooked potato into aluminium. This is important to protect the potato inside before it is burned. Okay, it's a protection thing. The aluminium wrap. It looks like now a cookie. No, not a cookie, a candy. And there it is. Press so much air out and maybe make a vacuum. So this is the preparation. Now we have to go to our barbecue grill, and there you can see on the left side there is some coals, and on the right side there is a space for our baked potatoes. Get them into the kettle and let them rest there for all your cooking time. This is about 20 minutes until 40 minutes. And after this, at the same time, you are going to make your standard barbecue quest, like making some hamburgers, like making some steaks, and all what you want. But do not forget them. After 40 minutes, they should be come out of there. As you can see, I've finished my barbecue quest. And now extract one of the baked potatoes. And let's have a look how well done the baked potato is now. You only have to unrip it, and then you can see the delicious hot barbecue baked potato. Eat it with a little bit of some other stuff because it's so dry a little bit. Maybe a little bit salt on top. Oh, there it is. So yellow, so delicious. Nice and easy. The baked potato can make a clean out in your stomach. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give us positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.